Hey people of the internet, what's up? Today we're gonna do another DIY project. Remember when we DIY'd this lamp? Now we're gonna DIY this table because it doesn't match the rest of the room and it really pisses me off. We're gonna be using this Deco Art American Decor Chalky Finish paint. It's supposed to be a zero prep paint over any finish and it's supposed to give an easy distressed look. Let's see if it works. After we paint it, we're going to be following it up with the American Decor Cream Clear Coat Wax. Kind of looks chunky on the inside, so we'll see how that one works. I'm going to move everything around and get everything set up so we are ready to paint. See you in a minute. Okay, so the table's all cleaned off and ready to roll. All I did was dust it and wipe it down with a wet cloth just to get any additional dust or dog hair that was left behind. Let's get started. So this paint actually works really well, and it's also drying insanely fast, so I gotta work at double the speed. This only took about half the container to do this whole table, which is pretty much almost dry. We'll be doing the wax in just a second. Okay, so now it is completely dry. It only took like half an hour. We're gonna now put the cream wax on. It just says to apply it with a clean lint-free rag and put it all over. That dry for probably about an hour, maybe a little bit longer, and then it says to buff it out to your desired sheen. It's buffing time. So I'm like 95% happy. It turned out pretty good. There are some minor imperfections that will bother me, but overall it's pretty decent. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe!